Neuromuscular disorders are a wide range of diseases that can occur anytime from prior to birth all the way through to old age. They mainly affect the voluntary muscles, so the person isn't able to move as well and it gets progressively worse. They can have heart, breathing issues, and as you can imagine, it's very debilitating for the person it affects as well as their family and those around them. When I was first looking into it, I thought maybe, muscle diseases is what, 8, 9? It's actually over 950 that have been discovered, and every year they're finding more subtypes of this muscle disease, but still about 50% of people go without a diagnosis. The Molecular Neurogenetics Lab here at the Perkins works on inherited neuromuscular disorders. So what we mainly do is we hunt down and identify the genes and the mutations in them that can cause these diseases. So far, our lab has discovered over 30 disease genes causing these different neuromuscular disorders. Hopefully, as our work goes on and we continue to find these genes, we can provide answers to more families and work on more treatment options. Hopefully, down the track, 10 years from now, we'll have a wonderful preconception screening plan in place so that we can prevent the diseases as well as looking at curing them. As well as the obvious benefits of actually being able to find treatment for these diseases, this is one of those rare areas where we can see immediate impact of our work. For example, there was a couple who had 2 young boys who passed away before the age of 2 due to heart problems. They sent the DNA through to us and asked us if we could find any genetic cause behind it. And we did eventually manage to figure out what it was. And we got back to them and let them know, and they were so grateful to have an answer to their problem. And they also just found out that they were pregnant again. And they asked us if we could sequence the baby's DNA to see if it had the same mutations. So they provided us with the DNA, and I myself did the sequencing, and I was delighted to see that there was no mutation there. So we could actually get back to that family and say, your little baby boy or baby girl is going to be just fine. And that's one of those moments that just make it all worthwhile.